Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Stay a while, don't go anywhere. If you haven't subscribed already, subscribe to my channel if you're into videos like this: beauty, skincare, lashes, cooking, eating, mukbangs, perfume, unboxing videos, fashion, stuff like that. If you like stuff like that, subscribe to my channel. If not, it's okay. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you guys could be alerted when I do post another video, a new video. So, my last video, I made some sizzling pork tacos from my home chef meals kit. Today I'll be making, Today I will be making lasagna style beef and pork Bolognese Gemelli, Gemelli, Gemelli. The prep and cook time is 20 to 30 minutes. The difficulty level is easy. Spice level is mild. And this one, it says cook within 7 days of receiving the box, which I got 3 days ago. So we're straight. How it's supposed to look. Ooh, this is bothering me. I know it's bothering y'all too. Hold on. I don't know, I just put my hair up really quick because I'm about to cook. I don't want no hair going in the foods. Alright, y'all, let's start. So everything came, well, this meal came in this package right here. Let me tell you guys everything that's in here. We got some ricotta cheese. We got some, I don't know if this is spinach. Oh, we got some spinach, some gemelli pasta, some more ricotta cheese. We got some Parmesan shredded cheese. We got some Bolognese meat sauce, and then we got this, I guess regular pasta sauce. We got some fresh grated Parmesan cheese, and we got some onion salt and some crushed red pepper flakes, and 2 baking containers because it's 4 servings, so 2 in here, 2 in here for the family. So let's get to cooking. This is marinara sauce, y'all. I don't know why I chose this one, y'all. But let's not judge. So let's taste it first, okay? Let's not judge at first sight. Let's wait till we see the finished product, and then we can judge, okay? Now we're gonna add the onion salt. I want to add some garlic too, y'all. Hold on. Got my garlic powder. Yeah, I need a little bit of garlic. And just a little dash of, can't help it. Just cannot help it. Now the last step, well, not the last step, but it says to add some spinach to it. So I'm going to add, I don't know if I should do it to both sides because, you know, my family is picky and all that, but, you know, I'm just going to add it to both. force them to eat some spinach. So now that we're done covering the top layer with the spinach, it's telling us to cover the trays with foil, place the trays on a baking sheet, bake covered in hot oven until spinach is wilted and pasta is heated through, about 18 to 20 minutes. So let's do that. Okay, let's put them in the oven. All right, y'all, I just took them out the oven. Now for the big reveal. No. Sorry, y'all, this is not no big reveal. The next step is to carefully remove the trays from the oven, which we did. Stir until the spinach is well combined. All right. Top both trays evenly with ricotta, parmesan, and mozzarella cheese.
Cheese. Cheese.
Now it says to place the trays back on the baking sheet and bake again uncovered in hot oven until cheese is melted, about 6 to 8 minutes. So that's what we're gonna do. And this is how it looks with the cheese all on it. So let's melt this baby. So this is how it looks, you guys, right out the oven. I already made a plate. This is how it's looking. So the last step is to carefully remove the trays from the oven, and to serve it, garnish it with some red pepper flakes to taste. So here's the red pepper flakes, and we're about to garnish it really quick. Screenshot. All right, let's try her. Hold on, it's hot. Hold on. I want the lasagna. I want everything. It's not bad. It's good. Now, one thing I would do, besides that little onion salt, or what was that? Onion salt, that little packet, I would add more seasonings to it, more flavor. It's lacking, like, it needs more salt. Or not even salt, like, it needs flavor. like if I had like Italian seasonings, I would add some of that to it. But other than that, it's pretty good. Thank you guys for watching. The next meal that I'll be making, oh, I told you guys I was gonna make the gyros, but I didn't. I ended up making this one instead. But the next meal I'm gonna make is the chicken gyro with tzatziki. Oh, so this is how the picture looks. The plate looks right here. And this is how my plate looks. Very similar. We did that. Alright guys, I'm about to go eat. Thank you guys for watching. Follow, subscribe, like, share, comment down below, everything. Do all that good stuff. Later.